there's usually a better way, and at Kellogg, it's in our DNA to find it. Ever since Mr. Kellogg invented Flakes cereal and found a better way for us to enjoy breakfast, we've been driven by his passion. Today, more than 115 years later, we're helping to advance sustainable and equitable access to food for all. Through our Kellogg's Better Days promise, we're creating better days for 3 billion people by the end of 2030. Take our United to Feed Innovation Challenge. 5 finalists from United Ways around the world received grants to support projects that aim to ensure food security in unique ways that also nurture our planet.
Funding from the Kellogg Company will help United Way of Southern Nevada expand a STEM-focused hydroponics program to 12 additional schools across Las Vegas. Together, we're teaching the next generation about the future of sustainable food production.
Our United Way of Cast Clay plans on using the $25,000 award to help expand our food repackaging effort. And this has the ability to impact thousands of students and their families across our service area to ensure that they have access to healthy, nutritious food on the weekends that otherwise would have gone to waste.
United Way Hungary, in partnership with the Equalizer School and Children's Home, developed the Junior Magic Chef program. We aim to teach kids of responsible and sustainable cooking and becoming role models among their peers, and eventually becoming self-sustaining adults breaking out of poverty.
United to Feed funding will support the Healthy Corner Store initiative. Our goal is to improve food access in neighborhoods with few healthy food options. Through in-store nutrition education, incentives, technical assistance, we support store owners in activating their businesses as community hubs that offer healthy food.
So the resources that we secured from Kellogg will actually go directly to our data dashboard, where we'll look at real-time mapping the food quantity, growth, resiliency, as well as the need that our community is asking for when it comes to food security. Give us a better sense of where we can invest our resources to close those equity gaps.
Kellogg is honored to support the important work of these United Way organizations as we, together, create a day where people are fed and fulfilled, a day where our planet thrives, and a day where there is a place at the table for everyone.